remaining one. Okay, first log m into n is given. Whenever multiplication is given, we use product law. How do you split this? Log m plus log n. Next, for division, what do you do? M divided by n, log m minus log n. Tell me the next one. Product law, quotient law, students. Power law. How do you solve power law? M to the power of n. Whenever we have a power, what happens to this power? I want Angel to answer. Angel, Dia, and Ananya. Can these three students answer? Angel, Dia, and Ananya respond. This is power law, students. How do you solve power law? This n goes in the beginning. What do you get? N into log m. N into log m. Next, even if the power is negative, if for example 5 to the power x minus 2. Usually in exponents, how do you solve this question? When the power is negative, how do you solve? 1 by, we write 1 by x to the power of 2, right? 1 by x to the power of 2. Here we don't do such things, students. Whatever power is given, we take it before the log. What do you get? Minus 2 log x. Understood? You get minus 2 log x. And whenever values are written like this, minus 2 log minus 1 by 2 log to the power of 4. How do you solve this question? All of you will respond. This 1 by 2 goes to the power. What do you get? Log 4 to the power of 1 by 2. This 4 1 by 2 exponent part. How do you solve this question? Right? It gets cancelled. Log 2 is the answer. These are the concepts we have. Next, one more even this you have to remember. 5 to the power of 2. What's the answer for 5 to the power of 2? 25. Is this logarithm or exponents? Logarithm or exponents? Exponents. What do you call this 5? In exponents, you call base. What do you call 2? Power. And this 25 you call value. All of you remember this concept BPV? If you want to convert into logarithm, the formula is BVP. How do you convert into log? Log B. What is B, students? Look here. This is how we have to write. Log B is equals to P. What is B value? Compare this. What is B? 5. What is B? What is P? So these two are important. Along with this logarithm, the concept what I taught, that's it. Logarithm chapter is done. Next, log to the power of 1. Log to the power of 10. Memorize this. The answer is 1. Log 100. What's the answer for log 100? How many zeros are there? 2. Next, log 1 by 10. What's the answer for log 1 by 10? Minus 1. Log 1 by 100 is equals to minus 2. Delisha, just because it is easy, for this one you're answering. You were silent, correct? When I gave this question, you're answering now. Is it clear? All of you understood? Log. It's the same goes with 1000 students. If it is 1000, log 3. Now I'll ask you a question. Even the opposite you'll have to remember. If 2 is given, take it as log 100. If 1 is given, take it as log 10. Now look here. Log 20 plus 2. Both should have log. Does both have log? Which one is missing, students? 2 doesn't have log, right? So log 20 plus. In place of 2, what should I take? Very good. Log 100. See, this is what I told you. If 2 is given, if you convert into log, you get log 100. Memorize this concept. Next, take log common. 20. When plus is given, what do? Multiply or what? You have to multiply by 100. What's the answer? Log 2000. This is what we studied. It's been 2 days, 2 or 3 days. So I'm just making you revise. Okay, let us start solving the remaining. Before that, I want you all to solve at least 1 or 2 questions, students, so you'll have an idea. Solve the first main, third one, all of you. The first main, third one, I'll solve. First main, fourth one, you'll try. How do you solve the first main, third one? 5 log 2 is given. How do you convert this 5 log 2? Before log, there shouldn't be any value. Where does it go? It goes to the power. Yeah, tell me the next one. 3 by 2. What happens to 3 by 2? Log 25 to the power of. Next. Respond. Next. 1 by 2. Next. Log 28. Good. What is 2 to the power of 5? Multiply. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 32. Then how do you solve this question, student? Exponent question. 5 2. Is it correct? 5 cube. How much is 5 cube? Log. Then 49. Try to give the direct answer for 49. 1 by 2 log. Angel, is it clear? Did you understand? Now see, everything has log, students. Make sure everything has log. Take 32. For plus, what should I put? Multiplication or division? 120. Again, 7. For minus, 28. What's the answer? 8 ones are 8. 4 ones are 4. 8. Log 1000. 3 zeros are given. What's the answer? 3. Fine. I want you all to try one. Let me tell you. Try this first main, fourth one, second main, third one. Try these two questions. Later we'll start the other questions. All of you will start first main, third one. First main, fourth one, students. First main, fourth one, second main, third one. I'll give you 2 minutes time, complete it. Just a minute. First go through this. I'll minimize. Those who have doubt, first go through this. Let me know whether you have understood or not. If you have understood, try those two questions. First go through what I have done. Okay. Hardly 1 month left. 1 month or 40 days left. So no more holidays, continuous classes, students. If you're absent, I won't even send a message. It is left up to you all. If you're not sending homework test, I won't send a message, ask. If you all want, you'll attend and study. Yeah, Bhargavi, did you ask anything? Yeah, solve it. All of you will complete it. You have written the first step. From here, you all try, students. Be quick. There are another 10 questions left. And maintain notes during final exam. You won't have time. So I won't keep. I won't make you revise all the questions. You'll have to revise it. Log 1 by 2. Delicia done. Angel, can you answer this? Are you there online? Yeah, first 3 to 4 questions I'll be asking these students. Angel, Dia and Ananya. Okay. Tell me, Angel, how do you solve this? Be quick. What is this? Log? So you haven't started yet? Huh? 18? 36 1 by 2. What did you do? You divide it like this? 18? Who taught you like this, Angel? Did Kia teach? Is that the way to do? Huh? Is that the way to do? Angel, how can you forget basic exponent concept? What happens to 1 by 2? Power 1 by 2, you have to eliminate denominator. 6 square into? This is not even logarithm. I'm asking you about exponent concept. And you're giving me 18 as the answer. What's the answer? 6. Log 1 by 30, just keep as it is. Log 1 by 30. Understood? Does everything have log? So what do you do, students? Take 4 first. 4 plus 5. When minus is given, 6. Where should I put minus 1 by 30? Denominator? Yes, 1 by 30. See, it becomes like this. Don't write 1 by 30 here, students. This is wrong. That's the reason I've given you 2 basic questions. If you're not able to solve this, we can't solve the further questions. Next. This 30, you can write it in the numerator. It goes to the numerator. Now tell me the calculation. 6 ones are 6. 5. 25 into 4 is 100. Log 100. What is log 100? Log 100 is 2. Next question. Second mean third one. Ananya, can you answer the second mean third one? 81 to the power of 8 plus. Respond, Ananya. Unmute the call. Log 2 to the power. Before log, what is given, students? What do we have before log? 2. No, no, no. Why have you written 2 to the power of 2 by 3? Is this correct? What are you doing, Ananya? Which value is given before power? Before log, which value do we have? 2 by 3 or 2? 2. That 2 will get multiplied here. Can you see where I've written 2? Then tell me the next one. Log. Next. Plus 3 by 4. Then how do you solve this, students? Log 81. 81 by 8. If it is plus, what do I put? For plus it is multiplication. What is 2 square by 2 by 3 square? 4 by 9. And minus is given. Where should I write minus? Numerator or denominator? It should be the denominator. What is 3 square? 9 by this 4. Can I write it in numerator? Is it correct? Next, tell me the next one. No, no, not plus. Not plus. Into 3 by 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Tell me what is 9 nines are students? 9 nines are 81. Right? 4 ones are 4. What's the answer? Log 3 by. What is the main question given? Evaluate. The answer is log 3 by 2. Understood? See, log 3 by 2 you can't convert. Don't write it as 1.5 and all those things. Just leave it as it is. Log 3 by 2. Okay, other things we have done. We'll start solving. Seventh main. We have to start. Which main we did? Did we complete the sixth main? Can somebody check the notes? Response, students. Yes, tell me. Oh, zero? Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Final answer is. Then where did I go wrong? Okay, cube. Why didn't you tell me? Cube. Okay, how many times I have to multiply? 3 by 2? Fine, let me do it again. See, even if I make mistake, let me know, students. If not, we are wasting time. 81 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 9. Then 27 into 8. See, 27 divided by 8. This 8 I have written top. That's it. Into 3 by 4. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9 nines are. 9 ones are 9 threes are. 3 and 3. Okay, everything gets cancelled. What is log 1? 0. See, even this you have to memorize. Log 1 is 0. I forgot to mention that. They have given it here. Can you see log 1? What's the answer for log 1? 0. Remember that. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. And even remember the 4, 5, 6 students. Point number 4, 5, 6. Try to memorize the concept. Log 1 is equals to 0. Log 10 is equals to 1. Don't get confused. Both are different. Okay, next question. Fine, we'll solve another one or two questions. You'll have an idea. Look here. 2 plus 1 by 2 log 10 9 minus 2 log 10 to the power of 5. Okay. Here, do we have any log for 2? All of you will respond. Any log value? No, keep it as it is. Plus. No, no. What did I tell you all? For if log is not given, what is 2? Log 100. Yes, write it as log 100. Next. 1 by 2. What happens to 1 by 2? 9. 1 by 2, right? Then before log 10, right? Log 10, 10 100 here. Next. Tell me the next one, students. 5 square. Yeah, don't write 2 to the power of 5. It is 5 to the power of 2. This goes top. Next. Log 100. Everything has log, students. 100 multiplied by. What is 9 1 by 2? Log 3 multiplied. Divided by. What's the answer? Can somebody answer? How come 1000? What's the answer in textbook? Fifth main, third one. 12. Understood? All of you understood the concept? Yeah. Try the fifth one, students. Fifth and sixth one. Fifth one, yeah, convert everything. I'll give you all 2 minutes time. You have to reduce it. Reduce. Try the fifth and sixth question. Angel, did you understand now? You should answer the next one. Until you answer right, you give right answer. I'll keep asking questions. Yeah, try the next two, students. If you're done with this, try the next two. Fifth and sixth one. Fifth and sixth question. 2 to the power of 10, 11 by 3, log 10, 130, log 10, 55 by 91. Was Tony present today? Anya and Tony? Did they come to school? Anya was there. Tony was there. You have 1 year, convert that. Convert it to log. Yes, Angel, tell me how do you solve? Tell me the first step. What happens to 2? Respond. Angel, unmute the call. What do you get? If 2 goes to the power, respond. Huh? By power of 10? Which 10 you're converting? Before log, is there any value? Then how can you convert 10? See, this 10, we have nothing to do with this 10, Angel. You didn't reach home, still out of station, lot of background noise. Okay, you're giving wrong answers. Others, can you answer this, students? Before log there is no value. How many of you have done like that? Did you all shift this 10 here? Did any of you do it like this? No, you're not supposed to do like that. Next. That's it. Log before log values are what? What is 11 square? Or just write 11 into 11. You can cancel it later. Divide it by 13 into 13. For plus 130 into, and for minus, where should I write? Denominator, numerator. If you multiply 121, it is tough to calculate. Keep it as 11 into 11. 11 ones are 11, 7. 11 ones are 5. How many times 7 goes? 7 ones are 7, 13. 113 and 113 gets cancelled. 13 and 10. Next, 5 ones are 5. Is the answer log 2? What is log 2? Hmm? Yes. No, no. Log 2 or log, what's the answer you all got? What is log 2? 100. Yeah, Dia, it is not log 100, Dia. Log 2 is just 100. Okay. I got confused. Log 2 is 100, students. Yes. Are you? Is it 10? Did I miss out any value? Okay. Let me check. Let me redo it. That one is fine. Base, right? You're telling about this. Log 10. That doesn't matter here. If you want, you write it. Log 2, the answer is 100. Don't write log 100, students. That doesn't make any sense. It is just 100. Okay, tell me the next one. If 1 is given, what should I write? Log 10. Then log 10. Right? Keep it small. Keep it small. 64 to the power of 1 by 3. Log 10 minus. Tell me the direct answer. Solve it in the working column. 4. I just need the direct answer. Next. 10 divided by. What's the answer for 10 divided by 4? What's the answer in textbook? Is it 5 by 2? Yes. Okay, 10 4. 10 4. Yeah, that one's, yeah, that just now I told. Yeah, even if you miss, no problem. Write it, student. Log 10 4. Is it 5 to the 5 by 2? Any one of you will check the answer. Keep a bookmark. This, which question is this? Fifth main, last one. Is it 5 by 2? All of you got 5 by 2? Good. Okay, all of you are able to solve. Next question, students. See, sixth one I've done. If you want, go through the recording, or we'll do it last. Seventh question. What value is given? Log 2 is equals to 0. Respond. 0.3010. What is log 3, students? Log 3 is 771. Now, looking at these values, you might get confused. Look here. Log 10. How much is log 10? 1. Log 100. 2. Then I told you all to memorize log 1. How much is log 1? 0. Below that, write all these values. Log 1 is 0. Log 2 is 0.30. Log 3 is 0.4771. And in exam, mostly they'll give you this value. So don't have to worry about this. Don't get confused with log 1, students. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 by 10 is minus 1. Log 1 by 100 is minus 2. See, these are two different topics. Don't get confused with this 2 and log 2. Both are different. I will make a note, or do you all remember this? These values? All of you all? Okay, next. Seventh main first one, students. Look at seventh main first one. Log 12 is given. Usually we didn't solve question like this. Can you just check the previous question? Was any single value given like this? Log 12. Look at all the question. There was no single values, right? We didn't have any single value. Next. We have only value for log 2, students. Do we have value for log 12? Did I give you value for log 12? Respond. No, right? So we have only value for log 1, log 2 and log 3. Remember, only log 1, log 2 and log 3. Log 2 they've given in textbook, log 3. So the concept here is whatever numbers are there, we need to convert into 2 and 3. Factorize 12. When you factorize 12, what do you get? 2 into 6. 2 3s are and 3 1s are. How do I write this log 12? Can I write it as 2 square into 3? Is this clear? Now this log, how do I split into two parts, students? 2 square. For multiplication, what should I write? Log 3. Now 2 square. You shouldn't convert back to 4. Do we have any value for log 4? Have I given any value? Respond. No. Then what happens to power? What can we do with this power? Very good. You can shift it in the beginning. The main concept is we have only log 2 and log 3, students. So try to cover all the values with log 2 and log 3. Now let me keep 2 as it is. What is log 2 value? What is log 2? 0.30. What is log 4? I mean log 3? 0.4. When I'm teaching, don't write anything. If you write along with me, you won't understand the concept. Okay, so this is not a competition that who's going to write first. Try to understand the concept. Next, multiply this 0.2006 plus 0.4771. What's the answer in textbook? What's the answer given, students? Seventh main first one. Is it correct? We're getting the right answer 1.0791. Yes. Now you can complete. Even now, just don't copy. See what I have done. Try to understand the concept. We have only log 2 and 3. So I'm trying to convert all the values into log 2 and 3. If you have understood, try the seventh main second one. Log 25 is given. Convert into 2 or 5, students. Okay, that is tough. I'll do that. I'll do. First complete this. Completed? Understood how to solve? Log 12. Next. Tell me the next one, students. Log, which chapter? Which question was this? Log 25. Think and answer. For log 25, did I give any value? Do we have any values? Log 2, 0.3010. And log 3, 0.4771. Okay. Log 25. How do you convert log 25? First factorize 25. Be quick. For 25, what do you get? 5 square. What happens to 2? 5. Now, for 2 log 5, do we have any value for log 5, students? Log 5? See, some might think like this. Don't do all such things. Is it possible to write it like this and solve? 2 plus 3? No. What is log formula, student? What is log value? Do we have multiplication or addition? Product law. We have only multiplication, right? M into N. So don't write 5 as 2 into 3. Try to do such things. There is one more option. How can you get 5? When I take two numbers, how do you get 5? Is there any other option to get 5? Respond. If I multiply with 2 and divide by 2. If I multiply and divide by 2. See, anyway 2 and 2 gets cancelled, right? 2 and 2. So here the concept is, students, whenever log 5 is given, you can multiply and divide by 2. What is 5 twos are? What is 5 twos are? 5 twos are 10? 10 by 2. So this log 5, what can I write log 5 as? 10 divided by 2. What is 10 by 2? If I reduce, what am I getting? What are we getting? 5. So can I write 5 as 10 by 2? Right? This is how you're supposed to write it. Now, 2 to the power of log 10 by 2. Division is given. How do you split this? Log 10 minus. Why did I split 5 as 10 by 2? Because for 10, do we have a value? Log 10. What is log 10, students? Log 10 is 1. For log 2, do we have value? 0.3010. 2 ones are 2 minus 0.3010. Is this clear? All of you understood? Respond. Did you understand? Only for log 5, remember this concept. Log 5, you can write it like this. Apart from that, whenever 7 is given, look, 7, 8, 9, you can't do such question, such calculation. Complete and solve this. Subtract 2 minus. Completed. Delicia done. Dia, Delicia, did you understand? Kia, subtract it. Yeah, subtract it, students. 2 minus 0.3010. What's the answer? 1.699. All of you got this? Check the answer in textbook. Check if it is right. Shall we try the next one? Next question. 3980. Okay, then what? Where did I go wrong? 0.3010. 2 minus 0.30. Which question did you check? Dia, which question? Seventh main? Seventh main, second one. Log 10 is correct. Okay, I've done a mistake here, students. Fine, fine. Look at the till here it was correct. Till here it is right. Till here, did you understand the way I converted 5 response? And this 2 belongs to both, right? Doesn't it belong to both? So when you open the bracket, what do you get, students? Log 2 log 10 minus, what did I write? I just wrote log 2, right? It's supposed to be 2 log 2. The reason 2 is belongs to both, right? 2 belongs to both. Yes, see, this is the actual meaning. 2 into log 10 by 2, students. So 2 into log 10 minus log 2. If I open the bracket, what are we getting? 2 into log 10, 2 log 2. Yeah, I missed out this 2 log 2. Completed. 2 into 1 minus 2 into log 2 is how much? 0.3010. So 2 minus 0.3010. Complete it now. 2 into 0.3010. You get 0.6010. Now you will get the answer as 1.39 something. 39 something. 390 minus 1 to 8. Yes, 80. Take down even this right hand side calculation, students. 2 belongs to both. And from tomorrow, I'll extend the duration because 1 hour, it will be up to 8:45 or 8:50 students. 20 minutes extra from tomorrow. When is your final exam? So on which date? Feb 16th. Exactly 1 month. If you take out the holidays, 1 or 2 days holiday, exactly 1 month. There are so many chapters, so be regular. From tomorrow, I'll conduct up to 8:50. Today, I have some work. 8:50. Last question. Done. All of you completed. Response, students. 20103. Next. Log 18. How do you solve log 18? What happens to root value? What is the value of root, students? You remove the root 1 by. So log root 18. How can I write log root 18? 1 by 2. Is it clear? First concept, log 18 1 by 2. Then what happens to 1 by 2? You can write it in the beginning. Log 18. Convert log 18. Factorize log 18, students. All of you will factorize log 18. How can I write log 18? 2 into 3 square. Is it correct? Respond. Don't write anything. Look at the screen and respond. Understood? Next, this 1 by 2 belongs to both. 1 by 2 belongs to both. When you split, you are supposed to write log 1 by 2 log 2. For multiplication, it is addition. Again, 1 by 2 log. No, not 3 square. I mean, correct, 3 square. Don't write it as 9, students. Next, 1 by 2. What is log 2 value? 0.10 plus. Now I don't need this 2. What happens to 2? 1 by 2. When you multiply with 1 by 2, what do you get? 1 log 3. What is 1 log 3? 1 into. Yes, what is 1 log 3? 1 into log 3, right? How much is log, students? Yes, how much is log 3? 4771. So don't take LCM. Don't take LCM and waste your time. First, reduce 0.30 divided by 2. Complete it. Complete this. And what's the last question? Okay, you can try the last one for homework. Convert 9 and 4. Convert into square. Let me see how many of you can solve that. Last question. Do it for homework. 0.1505, right? What's the answer in textbook? What's the answer, students? Is it correct? 7. Okay, let me check. 0.3010 divided by, this is fine, plus 0.4771. Is it 75, Dia? 6276. How come 76? What is the value for log 3? Is it 0.4770 or 71? Okay, there might be a mistake in textbook. Even if you use calculator, you're getting the same answer. Okay, fine. 7.5 or 7.6 students. It is a very minute error. You'll get marks. According to the values what they have given, this is the answer. In textbook, it might be wrong. Understood the concept? Only log 2 and log 3 as value, students. Log 1, log 2 and log 3. Apart from that, whatever number is given. Look here. For example, if log 4 is given, how do you convert log 4? Convert into powers. Factorize log 4. What do you get? 2? 2 square? 2 goes in the beginning. Yes, 2 log 2. What is log 2 value? Substitute. Is it clear? If they give log 16, what is log 16? Factorize. Don't write 4 square. Factorize to the power of 2. 2 to the power of what gives 16? 2 to the power of 4. So it becomes 4 log 2. 4 into the value. Simple concept. Our base should be 2 students, 2 or 3. If log 27 is given, how do you convert log 27? Log 3 to the power of 3. So it becomes 3 log 3. We know we have only value for log 2 and log 3. Substitute, find the answer. In the same way, I need you to find the last one for homework. Log 9 by 4. Convert 9 and 4. Factorize. You'll have a power. Shift the power. Try to complete. We'll do it tomorrow. Mostly tomorrow I might complete this exercise. Okay, so I want all of you to attend 7:30 to 9, 8:40 students. 1 hour 20 minutes class. That's it for today. You all can leave. Yes.